Don't believe the bug is you. You've landed that dream tech job. You've shipped groundbreaking features. Your code is clean. Your designs are intuitive. Your solutions are elegant. By all objective measures, you are a success. So why does it feel like any moment someone's going to expose you as a fraud?
This isn't just self-doubt. This is imposter syndrome, the persistent, often debilitating belief that your achievements are due to luck, timing, or deception, rather than your own competence. It's the fear that you'll be found out as a fraud, despite overwhelming evidence of your skills and accomplishments. And in the fast-paced, high-stakes world of tech, it's a silent killer of confidence, creativity, and career progression. Why is imposter syndrome so prevalent in tech? This industry is a perfect breeding ground. The relentless pace of innovation means you're constantly learning, often feeling behind. You're solving unprecedented, complex problems where the right answer isn't always clear. There's a perceived meritocracy where everyone is supposedly brilliant, making you feel like the odd one out. The public nature of failure, a bug, a rollback, can feel like a personal indictment. And often, isolated work combined with online comparison to rockstar developers can amplify feelings of inadequacy.
Imposter syndrome isn't a single experience. It manifests in different ways. Are you the perfectionist, constantly rewriting code, convinced it's never good enough? Or the expert, terrified of being asked a question you don't immediately know the answer to? Perhaps the natural genius, believing success should come effortlessly, and if it doesn't, you're a fraud. There's the soloist who feels they must accomplish everything alone, and the superhero who believes they must always be productive and take on more than anyone else. Recognizing your archetype is the first step to dismantling its power.
The cost of living with imposter syndrome is immense. It leads to burnout from overworking to compensate. It causes career stagnation as you avoid promotions or new challenges out of fear of exposure. It fuels anxiety, depression, and deeply impacts your self-worth. It even suppresses your creativity and innovation as you're too afraid to take risks or share unconventional ideas. It's a heavy burden to carry, and it prevents you from truly thriving. The first crucial strategy: acknowledge the feeling, but not the fact. Imposter syndrome is a feeling, not a reality. When that voice whispers, "You're a fraud," recognize it as imposter syndrome speaking, not the truth. Externalize that voice. Say to yourself, there's my imposter syndrome talking again. This creates distance and reduces its power. It's like recognizing a recurring bug in your code. You don't believe the bug is you. You identify it and work to fix it. Second, document your wins. Create an evidence log. Imposter syndrome thrives on selective memory, downplaying your successes. Fight back by actively recording every achievement, big or small. Did you ship a challenging feature? Resolve a critical bug? Mentor a junior developer? Receive positive feedback in a code review? Write it down. Regularly review this log. It's concrete data, irrefutable proof of your competence. This isn't bragging. It's building a robust internal database against self-doubt. Third, share your struggle. Embrace the power of vulnerability. Imposter syndrome makes you feel isolated, like you're the only one. The truth is, a vast majority of successful professionals, especially in tech, experience it. Talk to a trusted mentor, a colleague, or a friend. You'll often find they felt the exact same way. This shared experience is incredibly validating. It normalizes the feeling and helps you realize you're not a fraud.
but part of a common human experience. Find your tribe, whether it's a formal mentorship program, a peer support group, or just a few trusted colleagues.
Fourth, reframe failure and embrace continuous learning. In tech, bugs happen, projects pivot, sometimes things break. Imposter syndrome interprets these as proof of your inadequacy. Instead, reframe them as learning opportunities. Every bug fixed, every failed experiment analyzed is a step towards mastery. Adopt a growth mindset. Your intelligence and skills are not fixed. They can be developed through dedication and hard work. This perspective shifts your focus from proving yourself to improving yourself. Finally, celebrate your achievements, both big and small. Imposter syndrome loves to minimize your successes. Don't let it. When you complete a challenging task, fix a tricky bug, or receive positive feedback, take a moment to acknowledge it. Don't immediately jump to the next task. Allow yourself to feel that sense of accomplishment. Internalize your success. This isn't about ego. It's about rewiring your brain to accept and own your competence. You earned it.
Imposter syndrome is a powerful illusion, but it is just that, an illusion. You are not a fraud. You are capable. You are brilliant. By acknowledging the feeling, documenting your wins, sharing your struggle, reframing failure, and celebrating your achievements, you can dismantle its power and truly own your place in the tech world. Your unique skills and perspective are invaluable. Don't let self-doubt dim your light.
Thank you for watching. If this video resonated with you, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights on navigating mental health in the tech world. Remember, your well-being fuels your innovation. Own your brilliance.